You are so full of snow. Oh, that's a tough one. Oh, do you want help?
I don't think I can.
There. Oh, you're almost there.
I'm almost there. So close.
She hasn't asked for help. Can I help you?
Thank you. Okay.
Can I help you?
No, thank you. Got it. Okay, let's go past them. Whee!
Go pee. No, you got to get out of the way because if she comes down fast, that's right where she's going.